Hello everyone, this is Sarah from Nibloom Vision and I'm here to give you your fourth lesson in HTML, the plan. What is the BR element? How do you add an image to your HTML page? And finally, the implementation. What is the BR element? The BR tag is used to go to a new line. It is called Breakline. The Breakline is an example of an HTML element that does not have an opening and closing tag, simply written as BR/. How do you add an image to your HTML page? Using the image tag, you can define your image using the source attribute. The final result looks like image source and image URL, where you can put the image URL as the URL of your actual image. We will see this later. Note, image tag also does not have an opening and ending tags. Now we will go straight into the implementation and add breaklines and images to our HTML page. Let's open Notepad++, and in last lesson we had a heading, we had a paragraph and a bunch of links. On our web page we had here's the heading and the links, and it really looked ugly that the links were all next to each other. So now we will add a break after the A element, and we will do this for all the links we have. Ctrl S to save, and let's refresh our page. Now you can see that each link is on a new line. We can also add break inside a paragraph. So I don't have a life, break, go back to a new line. I'm a gamer, I have many lives. Ctrl save and refresh, and now we can see that it is gone to a new line. Now let's add an image to our HTML page. We will do this after the heading. So image, and let's Ctrl save and refresh. We can see that we have a small space in here, but there is nothing to see yet. And this is because we forgot to add the source. And usually it is waiting for the path of the image. We'll go to our folder, and here is our image. Let's copy the name, then paste it inside of source and add .png. Now we can see, however, the image is at the same level of our HTML page. Let's say that we had a new folder called images, and we had another image inside of it called gamer image inside .png. This one is not at the same level. Let's try to write it the same way and see what happens. So gamer inside .png, Ctrl S to save and refresh. We can see that we have one image in here and the second one is a broken link. And this is because the path to it is incorrect. So what we have to do is put images, the name of the folder where it is, slash and the name. Now if we refresh our link, we can see that the other image appeared as well. Another really important attribute we have to talk about is the alt. It is written as alt is equal, and we can give it basically any name we want that describes the picture we have. Refresh. We can see that it doesn't really do anything, but in fact if we had a broken link or the source was not there, this will give us the gamer as so. This is probably used for when the image isn't properly loaded. The user can still have an idea about what the image is about. So he will see gamer, so he will know that the picture is about a gamer. This is all for our lesson today. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please do not be shy to ask in the comments on our Discord, anywhere you want. Also, if you like the video, like, comment, send us your reviews and subscribe. Also, Don't forget to support us if you can through Patreon. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.